Hey guys, Beefcake here. Super excited. We just got some cool stuff in from our friends over at Procharger. Yeah, my wife beats me. Call the cops, help me out. But just happened to walk out, and I guess FedEx made a stop by the shop on a Saturday afternoon. Didn't knock or nothing, but they left us a nice little f1a94 for our 2025 Dark Horse project car. As you've seen in the video before, we're going to be taking our 2024 Whipple GT, going head-to-head against our 2025 Dark Horse with this Procharger F1a94. It's going to be a battle of the brands, and we're super excited to do it, man. So they got this out to us this week. It's going to do an all-black kit. We're going to do the crank support, stage 2 kit, so it's got the dedicated drive system on it. We'll be doing oil pump gears, crank sprocket, 4 Innovations fuel system, axles from DSS, and a drive shaft. All kinds of cool stuff going on this FIC injector. So I appreciate everybody that's taking part in the project. Project 60R on the street wheels, Weld Racing on the drag wheels, and of course Mickey Thompson tires on the drag wheels, Nitto tires on the street wheels. So follow along as we go head to head with these two cars with Project Stalker. And we still haven't came up with a project name for the other car to kind of put them together. We're thinking we might go with Vigilante, maybe Predator. Let us know what you guys think on the name. Check our other video out. All your Mustang needs, F-150, any late model Mustang, any late model vehicle, beefcakeracing.com.